I would say, oh,
So basically it goes step by step, and just before we start the real flights of the system, we go for the simulation environment and we train the pilots there. So they fly for hundreds of hours, and after they are fully comfortable with the system, they can go for the real flights. So basically, a good training should take around 2-3 months to be fully professional in this area. Yes, it requires a lot of patience, a lot of self-control, and also some luck, because we need to have a good weather to perform the operations.
So the UAVs can't fly in just any weather?
So yes, it depends on the weather. So if it's heavy rain like yesterday evening, we cannot fly. No, it's a very bad weather. We cannot operate in such conditions. Then the NCAA, the National Civil Aviation Authority, is allowing us to fly only during the day.
Oh, okay. So they have to have, what's the word now? Permits.
Yes, dedicated permits must be provided by the official authorities, because without those permissions, we wouldn't be able to fly.
So can I ask what the software?
So this is the ASECO ground control station software. It's our own software we produce in Warsaw, Poland. We have here a 3D engine, so during the entire mission, the operators, even they cannot see the aircraft with their eyes directly, but here on the GCS, they can plan the mission, verify the mission, and then do some post-processing. So the entire layout is prepared for long operations. So most of the things we have here are just taken directly from unmanned aviation, so from the real aircraft.
So can you tell me if how would I say, certain skills you need to have to ready to
for the software, the setting skills should be just intermediate. So there is no need to be fully professional, fully advanced. So the most important thing is to perform the flight preparations, verify all the systems. So there is a lot of technical knowledge behind, which is required to prepare everything.
So how is the signal from here transferred to?
We are using two radios. One is here, and it has the range of 40 kilometers. And the second one, the manual radios, are used for 5-kilometer flights. So if we are in the range of 5 kilometers from the GCS, we have the manual control. If we are beyond, then there is only automated function working. So the aircraft continues the mission automatically with up to 6,000 waypoints. So this mission contains 37 waypoints, but we can plan a mission which can hold 6,000.
So that means that before you people came here, the whole area has been measured, the whole...
No, we are currently measuring the area. So the system is used to get the data, capture the data, then we post-process it, and then we produce very accurate maps for the entire state. Yeah, you're welcome. Tomasz Mosiak. I'm ASECO Poland representative. Yes.
Well, my name is Niyi Oyebade. I work with the Lagos State Ministry of Science and Tech, and I head the Enterprise GIS unit of the ministry. And to God be the glory, an initiative that started in 2015 about the updates of the orthophotos and the e-GIS update and the Land Administration Automation Systems Program has come to a level of success by the commissioning and the official flag off of the Lagos State Unmanned UAV today at the Caleb University. It's an epoch-making event, and I am glad that it has come, and I'm grateful to God that in my time an idea has come to fruition. This was an idea brought to fore that we would have government use an economic way to update its data from time to time. And then, because the truth of the matter is we needed to get the total land cover, land use, the total orthophoto imagery of Lagos State from time to time. Because of rapid development of the state, we needed to have an economic way out of it such that it will be a cost-saving measure, and therefore this Tigua S410 unmanned area vehicle was brought in. This is the state-of-the-art unmanned area vehicle that is second to none sub-Saharan Africa, and we are proud to be associated with. This aircraft has the capability to stay on air for 6+ hours. It is an hybrid aircraft that has both PMS powered, fuel powered engine and batteries too, such that, and very fuel efficient technology that does 1 liter in an hour. These machines have the state-of-the-art cameras and LiDAR cameras for data capture, and our belief, after the first set of tests, that from 10 cm spatial resolution we are going to 4 cm spatial resolution, and I believe that this has come to bring value to Lagos State and Lagosians at large. Welcome to service, and let's keep flying. Thank you.
Jest okej. Panowie, jest okej. Temperatura 66,
You can do sand.
Volumetric.
Volume.
So when you're doing road construction also, the root survey, you have a place to put on your field. Once you feel the site, you can determine the volume that is filled. Instead of going to bring excess sand to fill, just bring the right amount of sand. Cost you time and save you time and save you. Agriculture also, with the thermal, you can determine the health of the crop, because every crop has its color and a heat emission of grass. So if the maize, for instance, is green, it's emitting color and a particular heat temperature. If it is brown or it's not red, it's yellow, you have a different heat signature. So you can now determine which crop is good or which crop is bad. So instead of spraying the whole field to save the crop, you just focus on where it's necessary. You don't need to spend money on chemicals. if there is a water, maybe it's a swamping area, and this is dry, instead of going to irrigate the whole land, just irrigate the site that needs.
With this one, you can do a survey. You don't have to go to site. You just fly it, draw the area, and then report it.
And because we are going to have a precise point position, with altitude or using PPK, we have an accuracy of 2 centimeters, which is survey range of 4 centimeters.
So you don't need to go to pick the coordinates. We will pick it for you here.
For you from here, and you just give it to the surveyor.
I think I got it.
Well, you can actually survey coastline, but for water, you need the LiDAR. The LiDAR, that's what the LiDAR comes into play.
Which this one has.
Which this one has. So once you use it, you fly over the water, it scans. It's a scanner. It scans the depth, not just the surface, but also the depth.
So it can tell you how much you need to pay.
How much you need to do, like for dredging, and also coastline.
Hello, my name is Adiola Akinwale. I'm the GIS project manager for ASECO Software Nigeria Limited. GIS represents Geographic Information Systems. ASECO Nigeria was contracted by Lagos State government to provide 2 unmanned aerial vehicles as part of the Lagos State Enterprise Geographic Information Systems upgrade project. Lagos State actually chose 5 companies to come together as a consortium, and we were one of them. There are actually other aspects of the project. ASECO Nigeria was contracted to provide unmanned aerial vehicles. To speak briefly about ASECO Nigeria belongs to the ASECO group. We have our headquarters in Poland, so ASECO is a Polish company. We have about 25,000 staff in about 50 countries around the world, and about 5 years ago, ASECO Nigeria was founded in Nigeria. So about 2 to 3 years ago, we were contracted by Lagos State, and then we began putting together the UAVs from ASECO Poland. And as part of the delivery, we also had the responsibility of training 6 Lagos State staff, 4 of them as UAV drone operators, and 2 of them as maintenance officers. This training happened in Poland, August 2018. Again, as part of the delivery, we had the responsibility of providing simulation environments. Simulation environments enables the drone operators to practice in a virtual environment in an office. This helps them to constantly update their skills of takeoff and landing of the drones. The drones are actually called Tigua S410. There are 2 of them, and we would use the drones to capture the entire orthophoto of Lagos State. Before now, we had gone round Lagos to survey the best locations for takeoff and landing. And Caleb University happens to be one of the choice locations that we came across, and that's why we decided to launch the drones from this very beautiful location. We identified about 26 locations around Lagos, and each of those locations are supposed to serve as takeoff and landing zones. From each location, we should be able to cover about 200 square kilometers of the size of Lagos. So we envisage that in about 20 to 30 flights, which will run for a period of 6 weeks, we should be able to cover the entire Lagos, which is about 3,577 square kilometers. I say 6 weeks if we fly every week or every other week. But in order not to push it, I can say within 6 weeks to 6 months, we should be able to cover the entire Lagos. This orthophoto will come at a resolution of about 3.5 to 5 centimeters. We all know that 10 years ago, a helicopter was flown around Lagos, and the orthophoto that was generated from that flight was about 10 centimeters. So this is a very good improvement from 10 years ago. Again, the drones will be flown around Lagos periodically, frequently, to update the orthophoto of Lagos State. I believe that this is a very improved technology that will serve as the base map. It will feed into the land information system that is being implemented currently as part of the e-GIS project in Lagos. It will feed into that project, and it will serve as a base map. So that is what the drones will be used for. One of the major benefits of having a drone technology and using it as part of the e-GIS project is that it's going to give us better accuracy. It's going to serve as an instrument for surveillance of our coastal areas in Lagos. It's going to also help to provide accurate and data in a more frequent time interval. So those are some of the benefits that the drone will provide. Also, because we have trained Lagos State staff, it's also going to, the training program serves as a means to transfer capacity and knowledge, to export capacity from Europe to Nigeria, and that already serves as capacity building. Over the years, the pilots that were trained have updated their skills using the simulation environment that we provided, and they still have a long way to go, but they've taken the first step, which is a very good one, and we will continue to support them until they are able to obtain their commercial professional drone operator's license, and then Lagos State will be fully ready to operate their drones anytime, any day.